Now let's get to some of your thoughts on our big story from last night, Measure 118. That's a statewide ballot measure in Oregon that we're all going to be voting on in November. If it passes, 118 would send roughly $1,600 to each and every Oregonian every year. It would arrive either as a check or a tax credit, and then that money would come from a change in corporate taxes, increasing the corporate minimum tax by 3% on a company's total sales in Oregon, not their net profit, but on any sales above $25 million. Lawmakers on both sides of the aisle and business groups all hate the idea, saying it's going to gut the state budget and raise prices for consumers. The measure has even been called a hot mess. Turns out many of you agree. Catherine wrote to us to say, I oppose it. It's a bad measure. It's socialism. There are people who think they should be able to eat and drink out of the trough of government, thinking it's all free when it isn't. It's a pure lack of understanding of taxation, accounting, and economics in general. It's actually good to see Republicans and Democratic legislators agree on opposing Measure 118.
Nothing in this life is free. You work for what you've got, and to hand out $1,600 arbitrarily to every person is ridiculous.
Thank you for that comment. Eric told us, hi, voting aloud no on this. Absolutely don't trust that they'll work with the legislature to figure out all the side issues and impacts. Those are questions that absolutely need to be answered before a vote on any financial measure. Oregonians in the past have voted and approved way too many financial measures that have a trust us component. And how about this one from Ross? I'm all about getting giant price gouging corporations to pay more of their fair share in taxes, but 118 doesn't seem like the right way to do it. I don't know what is. We did not get very many emails or voicemails in support of Measure 118, but we did get one from a viewer named Amy.
I think that it's going to be really difficult to have Oregonians not support Measure 118. We pay more in taxes in Portland than almost any place else in the country, and we get so little for what we're giving the state that I don't see that threatening us anymore with reduced services is going to be very effective, because I don't feel like we're getting for what we pay for in the first place. So if you have to lose some money from the general fund, that's too bad. I mean, seriously, you get tons of money, you don't spend it wisely, it's wasted all the time. I would rather see it go to Oregonians than to any more government officials.
All right, thanks for your call, Amy. Appreciate your opinion there. We also wanted to answer a question that came in from Ron. He asked, the $1,600 giveaway, who will qualify? Will you have to live in Oregon for a specific period of time? I can see the possibility for mass fraud. Great question. The measure says that in order to be eligible for the rebate, you need to have lived in Oregon for more than 200 days of the year, so around 6.5 months. We'll end on this from Ann, asking a hypothetical question to consider. If this actually comes to pass, is that going to attract too many people to come to live in Oregon? Fair question, Ann. We'll be watching.